Brother, we made it in. Got our bands, ready to go. Road America. Welcome to GridLife. I've never been here. Have you been here?
I've not been here.
You've not been
my first time as well.
This place is sick. Yeah, I want to go on a party deck. Look at that. Is that a water slide? Kind of looks like one.
Bush Light Party Deck.
Dude.
Sponsored by the Lions Club.
Bush Light. Look at this, dude. These little decks everywhere. This is sick. So I think Nate is actually on track right now. It sounds like the rush cars are on track. Either that or they're the cutest little motorcycles I've ever seen with 4 wheels on them. They're just getting a little lay of the land, you know? Oh.
Here we are.
There it is, brother! Alright. So I have no idea where the drift is. This car. Oh, that car, yeah. Solid. Is that what it stands for?
Why?
GridLife Touring Corvettes?
Why does everybody in GLTC have a Corvette now?
Because they're good. This car's from the factory and you know this. Oh, look at the garages over here. These are sick. Doberman! Doberman! Stop the car! Stop! Stop! Hi, bud! Hi! Oh my goodness! I have your brother at home! Brother's at home! I have your brother at home! Sick! Yeah, I'll take it. Dude, look at this thing. These things are sick.
Good to meet you.
Awesome, right?
Yeah, first time I got to see one up close.
This thing's gnarly, dude. This track is fast as shit.
Things are so cool.
Okay.
Yeah, Chris, you gotta get in one soon.
I know, I want to. I haven't seen one up close.
Yeah, they're small, but like they pack a punch, dude.
I bet, man.
Thank you so much, man.
Look at that.
Woo!
Right.
Yeah, so Chris,
get a breakdown.
I can give you a quick tour.
Yeah.
JC's actually the pro out here.
Let's
dude.
hear it.
JC knows all about it. But this is a GSXF 1000 out of a Suzuki. And then obviously it's still train driven or belt, whatever you call it, chain driven. We changed the teeth, like you know how we have quick changes, so we go 14 tooth, 15 tooth. So we're at 15 tooth, and what are we topping out here, Chris?
15 tooth, we're gonna top out about 137.
Yeah, it's like 137's down, and I'm what, 2 feet off the ground?
All in the mail, dude.
All in the mail.
Yeah. Such a simple, cool little setup.
Yeah, so that Rush Auto Works camp, when you come right up that hill, like they developed this car because if you were karting and you couldn't get a Formula 4 package, this is like a grassroots approach. But like they developed it. Like I was like, yo, these drive shaft axles, and they're like, no, we made it.
No, we made it.
And they like make this whole car.
That's so sick.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's very, very cool.
But if you need an engine, you got to buy a bike. And I blew an engine already.
Oh.
Stock engines, like out of the motorcycles?
Yeah, so they can't buy just the engine, so they have a warehouse of bikes, they pull all the motors out and put them in the cars.
Yeah, they won't sell new engines.
Why
So
not?
you can see new bikes they just won't. And they're the largest supplier of these motorcycles.
Do they hate money?
You think they just won't, they won't import them in. And so it's crazy. So they buy the entire bikes, and they have hundreds and hundreds of entire bikes they rip the engine and ECU out of.
Used bikes and new bikes?
Brand new. I mean, hundreds of brand new bikes.
Yeah,
I said
how
we should
many
buy
minutes
them.
does this engine have?
Yeah.
6 hours.
All right, so Forsberg's taking a quick little tour of the Rush cars. One of my goals is to, well, Doug and I are gonna eventually bring Chris to Texas and get him in one of these, but check it out.
So I mean, the engine's right behind you. And you can hear it out there.
It has the tools
So sick.
Hell yeah.
Count me in, man.
Count me in.
All right. Special delivery.
hoping that T-Pain lifts me when I'm down.
Oh yeah, he will. He knows what to do. He's a true stage performer.
Yeah. I already heard
Car
him,
right
like,
now.
It's so high. It's so high. I'm so scared.
Well, we have to come watch you now.
I fucking love it.
Like, we got to.
Three-time Formula Drift champion, Chris Forsberg. And Liz. Chris, before you go, hey, chat. I just want to give this man his flowers. Without Chris Forsberg, American drifting wouldn't be what it is today.
100%.
Without Chris Forsberg, Hurt Life wouldn't exist. So give this man all of his flowers. He's one of the greatest drivers this world has ever seen. I just want to make sure Chris Forsberg is one of the GOATs, so give this man some love.
Give it to him, goddammit!
And yeah, I met her a long time ago, and yeah, it's back in GridLife days. And yeah, my 240 still has that GridLife sticker on it, brother.
I love you, brother. I appreciate you, man.
So yeah, so this song's not an easy one, so I brought out my better half. Who can carry it forward.
Me and her go.
It's a long song, so let's rip it.
Hey! Participate! Let's go, baby.
Okay, just kill.
This ain't it. Come on now. Y'all know how long this song is. Tell them that is why everybody here. Fiancé has a devil put aside for me. Put the lights up, come on! And that's how you pick a fucking karaoke song right there, man.
We did it!
The little like mid-air like
Have you done that before?
Not on a stage like that. I've sang a karaoke song or two, but not like that.
after this.
He does not know what he wants to do.
Performance of the night.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh yeah, I say.
Brother, where's your clothes?
My clothes?
Where are your clothes?
Over there.
Okay.
Hot out.
What? Okay, how'd it go?
It was better. It still isn't as good as I would like it to be, the carousel turn. But I mean, we're clearing it.
Yeah.
That last one was like our best one. To go and pull to the inside. I just can't belt the tires off at that speed. It's the biggest like turn in North America. Biggest like road course turn. So it's rather large.
Oh, I saw the little e-brake clip and I'm like, still need more power.
Still need more juice, brother.
Which car of your cars would be the best for this track and best for the carousel?
Pro car.
Why the pro car?
It just has the most power and actually like, because the Ultima like is sick, but well, Ultima with no passengers would be the best car.
Okay.
Because with passengers is actually pretty hooked up, and the pro car would be a little freer even with the hill. But yeah, Ultima with no passengers would just sail that corner, no problem. Probably with passengers too, but based on that this one's doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the Ultima.
Like the parts that I had there.
sick, man. Nice work. Yeah, love it. Really clean. Just a bro with a super clean S13 and wanted to show me, so we're just checking it out. Let all you guys see it too. So, killer forest screen. Love the rear spoiler. Yeah, good wheel fitment. Ah, nice. Look at that.
There's a full Windows gaming PC, mini ITX build right back there.
No way.
You can see my standalone data.
No way.
Yeah. So I'll data log and I'll tune.
That's awesome. Very cool, man. Nice little touches, dude. Very sick.
It's Inception. It's like very meta to record the recorder. Get busted.
Looking good, Andres. Where's your hat, lady?
Oh, it's in the car.
So,
Helping me right now.
no, we're rocking the sun visors right now. So, getting ready for Nate's final race, the rush race. They're gonna be ripping right down this hill. Big braking corner, good spot for passing into the carousel. So,
Into the sausages.
into the sausages, Speedville, sausage. Ripping. One or two. He was like pretty far up. Jack, never let go. Your feet go on the pedal. Oh, you do the fourth?
Grew up here as an artist and watch this place grow. And this is the dopest fucking event anywhere every year. Thanks to all you. Top of your rock.
What? Idiots. Idiots. Two of them. Not idiots. Whoever did that.
I know, that's beautiful. Yeah, I like that.
Pretty cool car.
This is f***ing sick. Let's get on. You going back? All right, Cam, you're getting on.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Fucking front and center.
All right, Liz, you're out.
Bye, Liz.
Bye.
All right, here we go. Little cruise.
No, so this thing is, it's not just a throttle, it's also pedal assist. Just so you
Nate
know,
Hamilton shirt, cool.
this is the first time I've ever ridden an electric bike. It's freaking rad.
It's kind of sketchy because it's fast. It's so torquey.
Yeah, this thing is sick.
That thing's sick, right?
Yeah, I love it because it has
Disc
like you
brakes
said,
up.
like
Not touch that, dude. I did not touch him, but that was sick though, right?
it was wild. I wish I got the clip of it because it was right in front of us.
I got the GoPro.
I blamed you. For the
I
record,
did
I
not
don't need
touch
that.
him.
I blamed you.
So I was telling Chris, however this works out with the camera, those guys struggle to countersteer. So they get in the rumble strips, and the car's like, blah, 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 and they don't know what to do. So he took a wide line.
Sounds like something somebody would say after they hit somebody.
I did not touch him. Yeah, right. But we were battling, like, he had me, then I had him, then we came down through whatever turn this is. That was sick, dude.
That was rad, dude.
My
Nice
drift
work.
skills were
Nice
like,
work.
whoop, gotta go.
On point,
That
dude.
was sick.
On point.
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
shit.
What happened?
Oh yeah.
Full-blown contact at Hot Pit. Somebody hit another car and flipped.
Around this.
But it wasn't Jackson.
Yeah, I love it.
No, he didn't hit Jackson.
It wasn't Jackson.
Side.
No, he tried to go around the outside. He's like, oh, I got this.
I'm gonna go outside.
But he kept rolling.
Oh, you're right.
rolled it.
He does keep going.
Ridiculous.
Well, there goes that. Oh no.
Dude, I think he thought he was still going. Because watch the smoke trail. Yep.
He rolled back, yeah.
Fuck, that sucks.
Mental.
I know.
bag. Bag.
Helmet.
Bag in a bag.
Bag in a bag. Dude, you don't do bags in your bags?
Bag. That is a bag full of bags. Is all. What kind